Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Libras, if you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Devil, 10 of Stars and 5 of Moons in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Libras, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone who is really if you take up something, you see to it that you do it, you try your best, attempt everything possible to complete that work, or you have that perseverance, you are committed, responsible, and you are a hard working person. So you show a lot of dedication in your work, devoted to whatever choices you take up. It may be in your work situation or in this relationship. So whatever you step into, you go the distance, do everything possible in your limit, using your skills and talents, time and energy. So you are putting in a lot of efforts today, guys, in your situation, maybe in your relationship or in your work situation. But however hard you are trying, you see things going in a negative way, something unexpected. Maybe people are not to be trusted, not to be believed in. Maybe they are tricking you or deceiving you in certain things, and you don't know how to handle the situation. Maybe you are having some sickness or addictions. It may be your energy or this person's energy, guys. This person you are in relationship with, maybe it may be their energy. So you are feeling really disappointed. You are trying hard, doing everything possible in your limit, but you are seeing sadness and stress, disappointed really. But for some of you, I also see that you have friends, family with you, supporting you. So they are here to guide you, maybe support you, give you that emotional strength to come out of this difficult situation. So all this pain and disappointment is going to disappear with the people in your life today, guys, Libras. So things are going to resolve, maybe, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So it is Ace of Spheres in reverse. So maybe in your relationship, looks like this person loves you, looks like they understand your pain, understand the way you feel, but they cannot be trusted, guys. All that glitters may not be gold, so you need to be careful with this person, Libras. So they are having some intentions and it may not be honest towards you. So you have to be really careful, guys, with this person. Until and unless you understand them clearly, you cannot make any important choices in this connection, Libra. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is 4 of Moons in reverse. So, with this card, you may feel intuitively guided in your work situation. When you have that intuition about some choices in your work, you need to listen to it, guys. So, it is going to help you avoid some difficult circumstance today, guys, Libras. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for y'all, guys, for those who chose this first card. It is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today. So with this angel card, this angel stands for beauty and enlightenment, and this angel assists us in seeing the beauty in the world around us, finding happiness and joy through our own unique creative expression. So in the world around us, we often see so much ugliness, and this angel is here to make us aware of the things that are beautiful no matter what in our situation and appreciate that, guys. So when we lack that spark in our day-to-day life, we feel bored, we don't feel like doing anything, or we feel stuck, unable to think with clarity or point out or identify what we need and what is our dream or goal. When we lack that inspiration, when we lack that spark, this angel is here guiding us, helping us, giving us the answers, clearing the fog, making us see our circumstance with clarity in our day-to-day life, and bringing awareness in our situation, guys. And that awareness is going to make us realize the beauty of our world. Often we lack inspiration because we do not see, we are not aware of the beautiful things that we have, and maybe some creative blocks we have in our work or even in our relationship, whatever it is. This angel is here to guide us, give us ideas and opportunities, making us more inspired, confident in ourselves to move forward positively in our life, guys. So all you need is inspiration, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe you can do things that you love to do, maybe. So due to some reason you do not find time to do the things that you love to do, but when we take up activities we love to do, we really feel refreshed, rejuvenated and inspired, feeling confident and happy in our own self. So when we are in that spirit, we are going to relate that in our day-to-day life. That is this card meaning, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is orange calcite. It is an crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you are at your creative best today. You are bubbling with energy, confidence. You want to take up something new in your life. Maybe you want to, you are on the path to healing yourself from the past. You are feeling creative, you want to express yourself, and you are having intuition or some kind of inspiration in your situation. You want to do something which you love to do. And maybe for some of you, you are moving towards something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. It may be in your work situation or even in a relationship, or it may be some hobbies like drawing, painting, singing, whatever it is, something which you are really passionate about, and something which is going to channel your creative energy, guys. And you are going to help yourself, help your relationship change, become more healthier, become more satisfying because of the way you are. And your relationship is evolving, guys, positively, and your creative energy is at the peak. And if you are working with this other person in this relationship, maybe inspiring them, maybe with your love, or they may be inspiring you with their love towards you. So you are feeling powerful together, having that inspiration when you are with them, and it is taking you towards a deep intimacy, harmony, and you are building the trust you both have with each other, guys. And this is the time for you to build a strong, meaningful connection with this person. And it is also the time for fun and playfulness, being really creative, being spontaneous, having fun, having a lot of humorous time together. So this crystal spirits card stands for that, guys. And it is the card that stimulates us to give up our shyness and be playful and creative, and giving us the strength and courage that we need in our heart to be free with the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.